Product manager versus project manager. Explained simply. A product manager decides what should be built and why it matters. A project manager decides how it gets done and when it gets delivered. Different missions, different muscles, both are essential. The product managers own the destination. They define value, outcomes, and direction, while project managers owns the journey. They organize people, timelines, and execution. And this split shows up everywhere. In construction, the product manager is the person who decides what the building should be. The project manager ensures that the building gets built on time and budget. In healthcare, the product manager defines the patient service or program, while the project manager coordinates staff, equipment, and scheduling. In manufacturing, the product manager defines the product line, basically what products that are going to be made, and the project manager runs the production rollout. In education, the product manager designs the curriculum, and the project manager organizes teachers, materials, and timelines. Each role optimizes for different things. The product manager optimizes for outcome, customer value, market fit, long term strategy. Are we building the right thing? The project manager optimizes for execution, schedules, budget, risk management. Can we deliver this reliably? This is how they work together. The product manager says, this is the goal. The project manager says, here's how we'll get there. The product manager says, these features matters most. The project manager says, here's the plan to deliver them. They are complementary, not competing roles. In summary, the product manager defines value, owns the vision, prioritizes what matters, and measures impact. The project manager plans execution, manages timelines and resources, coordinates teams, and ensures delivery. Both roles are critical.